This parliament is called Parliament of Uganda. And there are four basic concerns at this moment in our history. The first is to unite the country. Everywhere you go, you'll find people identifying with their parties, their tribes, or their religions. And then you wonder, where are the Ugandans? So we have to unite the country. In order to do that in the parliament, when I'm elected to lead the House, I'll ensure that we have something called a caucus of the whole House. There are some problems which have no party lines. The caucus of the whole House will enable us to tackle problems together as representatives of the people. And then we need to strengthen our democracy. It's the role of parliament to solve problems. And it really doesn't matter who comes with the best solution. If it serves Uganda best, that's what we should pay attention to. We must give all these members of parliament their due airtime to talk. We should organize them so that we have a real debate. Number three, we need to continue focusing on our peace and security. All parts of Uganda should feel safe. We still have some parts which don't have the kind of peace we need. You saw the other day in Fort Portal, there was a rebel attack. There's still some little problems on the border with Sudan. We must reduce crime. We have got a lot of threats on land for the poor. We must ensure that this parliament protects the poor people. And the principle which we should base our work on is equality of all citizens. Citizens should be like legal tender. If you have a 10,000 shilling note, which is brand new from the bank, and you have another one which is dirty, torn, and probably fastened by glue, do you think the new one can buy more things than the old, dirty, and torn one? So we should treat all Ugandans equally. To me, those are the most important issues. I'm hoping that Ugandans will support the parliament, and I'm hoping that this parliament, in these next 5 years, will respect itself enough to ensure that government keeps its promises to the people. We are the watchdogs, and we will encourage the people also to watch us, because the watchdog cannot stay without being watched. So we will make sure the parliament is accountable, because the question is, who watches the watchdog? Citizens now think that parliament does whatever it wants. Nobody can even say anything. But we are all under the same law. Those are my expectations, and I'm happy to be back in parliament after 20 years. I left this place, I was just turning 39 when I retired from parliament, not yet 40. So I'm returning after 20 years. A lot has changed. We have a very young parliament. I promise to mentor the young parliamentarians. I have a lot of experience as a lawyer, as a leader. I have many skills I can share. I was the chairman LC5 of Gulu, so I have that experience. I've been a minister coming now to 4 years. There will be Uganda tomorrow. We must prepare the leaders of tomorrow. We must not prepare them by lecturing them. We must prepare them through example. So I promise to be a good example to the young MPs. Thank you very much.